Hey you guys, back with another video. I'm on my last 2 pork chops that's frying, and 2 there. I'm going to smother mine and I'm going to have my son just fry it. So, there's my sweet potatoes on deck. They are done. Going to put a little cinnamon on here. Not too much. Here's my Noah's rice. Sorry guys. So, that's what's for dinner today. I'm going to put some butter in here. And some brown sugar. Some pork chops frying nice over there, you guys. Hope your Sunday is going well. Mine is going excellent. Now I'm about to add my brown sugar. And I'm going to let that melt down with the butter. Wipe down my ear here. Okay. My pork chop should be done now. Golden brown. Okay. Okay, guys. That's what's for dinner. House smells so good. Okay. Look at them old bell peppers and spices in that rice. Okay, you guys. I thank you guys for watching. And I'm about to let this last pork chop cook. And I'm about to clean up my mess here, you guys. My brown sugar, my cinnamon, and my butter. And wash those little utensils out. And I thank you for watching. And you have a blessed Sunday. And bye-bye for now.